Did your role-playing hobby die from COVID-19? Or did the rot set in years ago? Are you fed up playing Call of Duty with teenagers? I'm wondering if you're ever going to roll dice again. Are you feeling nostalgic about some of the RPGs on your shelf that you never play? And do you wish you could get your kids into some of the classics that you used to play? My name is Jonathan Clark, and my role-playing began in 1978 with the original blue Dungeons & Dragons rulebook, which I played solo like a maniac, until one day I overheard some kids, school kids, same age as me, at the school bus stop talking about goblins. I was there in the golden age of RPGs between 1978 and 1988. Then I joined a games club, which meant we were playing every single Sunday for 10 years. Later, I became editor of a superhero role-playing magazine called Fantasia, and I even got to interview Stan Lee from Marvel Comics. How cool is that? But then, there was a 20-year-long drought. Me and my players, we all grew up, we all got married, we got these things called jobs, we had children, we had responsibilities. By 2020, I was ready to retire my RPG hobby and pack it all in. I thought solo was the only way forward. Luckily, I saw a Facebook ad and I discovered the world of virtual tabletop RPGs. Now let's face it, the pandemic killed live face-to-face gaming sessions in people's houses. My local games club was closed and the game stores had to shut their doors. The world went online, and as I discovered, so did tabletop role-playing. No more travelling, no more trips to the supermarket to stock up on supplies. You get a higher quality of gaming when you pay for it. You get consistent games every week. And you become part of a thriving group of like-minded role players. And the GM brings the rule books and the supplements and the tokens and the maps, which saves you a small fortune. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably believe you're the only role-playing veteran out there. Maybe you don't think that you would gel with all the young dudes and dudettes who are the next generation of role players. Perhaps the thought of using Discord or Roll20 virtual tabletops puts you off. Listen, I'd never used Discord or a virtual tabletop until October 2020, and now we use it all the time. See, the world got used to using Zoom and Teams. Now we have maps and counters on the screen. It's the same thing. If you need help, then we can get you set up really, really quickly. We also bring the rule books and the supplements and the tokens, which saves you even more money. The fact is, most of our players are over the age of 30. They're usually married with kids, and they usually have jobs. So, you'd be in with like-minded gaming enthusiasts who haven't played in a while and whose dice are getting dusty. Here's what one of my players said. Jonathan's games are the best I've experienced through 32 years of role-playing. They're atmospheric, they're detailed, they're meticulously planned, and best of all, great fun. Whatever system we played, and there were many, every game was memorable. Let's face it, you're not getting any younger. Who knows when you're going to get a decent game? Or are you going to settle for watching YouTube videos and yearning for the past? So that's why I'm excited to share with you my Gamesmaster for Hire service. If you're looking for fun, exciting games that challenge you and risk your character's life, you're in the right place. You're going to feel 20 years younger, your energy will go through the roof, and you'll be buzzing every week. Yes, this is pay per play. I charge £10 per game per player. That way, I know you're committed and that you're taking it as seriously as I do. Plus, here's something unique about my games. The adventures get recorded and turned into novels, which are sold on Amazon. Your character and the story they're in gets immortalised forever. So to make it easy, we start off with a Meet the GM call on Zoom, and then we invite you to a one-off session so you get a feel for my style and you get to meet the other players. Then if you like it, you can join an 8-week campaign. My players tend to be older. We show you how to use Discord and Roll20, and we bring all the books and all the accessories that you need. I'm glad I responded to a Facebook ad. I had a quick chat with a GM for hire and then ended up playing a Judge Dredd campaign for 6 months straight, all online, and it was epic. Playing every single week and our actions affecting the storyline. We loved every minute of it. I felt 20 years younger and it was like going back in time. So if this sounds like a good fit for you, just go to gamesmasterforhire.com/contact, drop me a line. My name's Jonathan. We'll set up a Zoom call, have a friendly chat and see if this is the right place for you.